Namaste, Satyekad, Adab. My name is Nikhil Deshpande. I'm a bird photography hobbyist. Recently, I've been to bird photography to a place called Thattekad in the state of Kerala in southern peninsular India. Thattekad also has a bird sanctuary, which is supposed to be the oldest bird sanctuary, Thattekad Bird Sanctuary in the state of Kerala. This has an area of around 25 square kilometers, and it is around 12 kilometers from the city called Kothamangalam, and around 50-ish kilometers from Cochin, which is a major port city in Kerala. Thattekad literally means flat forest, and the region is an evergreen lowland forest, and which is located between the tributaries or the branches of the longest river in Kerala called Periyar River. I was there for around 3 days, and the main target species were Malabar trogon, Ceylon frogmouth, mottled owl, then other owls like brown wood owl, then some shrikes like brown shrike, then bay owl, and unfortunately didn't have any luck to get proper sightings of bay owl sightings. There were no sightings at all. I was so unlucky. Maybe another trip, I'll get it somewhere else. So couldn't get bay owl. The gear I used for this photography tour, for stills, mostly I used the combination of Canon 7D Mark II and 100 to 400 Virgin 2 lens. For the videos, I have used the combination of Sony Alpha 99 II Virgin 2, which is around 42 megapixels, mainly for 4K. And the lens I have used is, as you can see, a Tamron G2 150 to 600 lens. So the post-processing I have done for this video as well as the stills. The videos I have done it in iMovies, which is an Apple software, and stills I have processed in Lightroom, along with some Lightroom plugins like Topaz, Denoise, and Sharpen. These are basically AI software, which basically helps in sharpening some of the blurred images as well as removing the noise. Very good softwares. I'm not paid for these softwares by these companies, but yes, I'm using it since quite a long time, and they do support me very well. At the end of this video, I have put up a slideshow. So kindly watch till the end, wherein this slideshow will show you all the possible stills, the photographs I could take in Thattekad Bird Sanctuary. And last but not the least, please share this video with your friends, family. Do like, and the most important thing, kindly subscribe. Thanks for watching the video. Namaste.
here in Thattekad second day. Yeah, today is a very foggy morning. Today we will be mainly searching bay owl and Malabar trogon, along with, if possible, black baza. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, see you soon. Bye.